Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifoma. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. I have a new haul for you guys today and it's a Zara haul. It's more like a minimal look that I've been loving this summer, and most of the items I'll be showing you guys today are some of the items I got from the Zara sale. So now let's get started. So let me show you guys what I have on. I hope you can see. I'm going to step back a little bit. I got this dress from Zara. It's a black Maxi Bodycon dress, which I've been loving. So I'll step back. I hope you can see. This is how it looks. I am wearing it with this flat that I got from Walmart. So I just thought a simple black outfit. I've just been loving black. So let's get into the video now, okay guys? So first things first, I'm always forgetting to share my accessories with you guys. So I'm going to show you my accessories first and some little items that I also got. So I got these red heels from Zara. So you will see how I style them with the outfits in the video. I really love this. I love the fact that the heels are not so high. They are strappy sandals. This one has some kind of like gold detail here. I've been wanting a red sandal for a long time. I have red palms, but I've been looking for like a really nice red sandal that will go with my outfit for this summer. And I saw this one. I got it during the Zara sale. I can't remember how much. I also got these black ones. I like the pointy toes. It's also a strappy sandal. It also have like gold details on the buckle side. I really love it, and you will also see how I style this in the video. I also have beauty items to share with you guys. I got this Jimmy Choo fragrance. It's a fragrance that I've been using, but I just got a new one and I got it in a set. Let me see if I can show you guys. See how it is. Yeah, so I got it in a set. I got it from dealer. It's about $120 or $130. I can't be sure, but if I'm able to find it, I will definitely link it for you guys if you're interested. So I also went to Sephora and I picked up this Super Goop body spray. It's actually a body mist. I don't know if you can see it. I will just insert a picture somewhere. The camera is not focusing right now. It also has vitamin C and it just feels good, like see, and it's very hydrating. So whenever I want to go out, I'll just rub it. It just gives you that glow. I don't know if you can see the glow. Can you see how glow it is? So that's what I like about it. So those are the little things that I got. So now let me show you the outfits that I got from Zara. So for reference purpose, I'll be using my phone just to kind of remember, because I already styled this and I don't want to miss anything. In case you see me looking down, so know that I'm looking at my phone just to remind myself of, you know, the outfits. So the very first item I have is this black Maxi Bodycon dress that I have. I got it in the color black and I also got it in the color white. It's just a simple dress. It have this thin spaghetti straps, which I'm kind of worried about. I hope it doesn't go off, but I like the fit, and it's just a simple dress that I think I can also transition with into the fall. These are just like your basics. You guys know that, you know, neutrals, minimal look have been trending all summer and I've been into it. I love neutrals and I also love colors. I've said that so many times here on my channel. So this one, I styled it with those black platform heels that I got from Target. And I am also carrying a black little purse. I just wanted a black look. I've just been loving black this summer. So I also went ahead and I added a denim jacket to these outfits, and then I am wearing those black flats that I got from Walmart, and I'm carrying a straw basket bag that I got from Target. All of this I will make sure to link in the description box in case you are interested. Then I also styled it, dressed up. I added a beige blazer, and I'm wearing some nude pumps, and I'm carrying a nude, like a nude, the same color with the heels. I'm carrying that clutch. It's from Shein. I've already featured all of this in my previous videos, which I will link in this video so you can check it out. The links are also in there. So I just thought, you know, this is something you can wear casually. Which is why I styled it different ways, so you can see how I am rocking this outfit. And it's also something that you can wear to work. All you just need to do is add a blazer. It can be different color of blazer because it is a black outfit, so different color of blazer will go with it. And with this look, during early fall, you can also go ahead and add a trench coat. That will look really pretty with this look. So now let me show you guys the next item. So like I said, I got it in black and white, so it's the same outfit, just different color. And in the styling part of this video, first I added my red heels that I got from Zara, and I added a red blazer. That blazer is from JCPenney that I got sometime last year. Red is the color for the season, and it is also going to be trending into the fall. And you already know that I love red outfits, so I also went ahead and I carried my red bag that I also got from Mango. I dressed it up like this because I feel it's something you can wear to work. It is still very hot. We are still in summer. We've not officially gone into fall, so you can wear this look to work. Then next, I added a button down white shirt just to like go for a more casual look. And I'm wearing my brown flats from Target, and I'm carrying that little basket bag that I also got from Target. This is for like a more relaxed look in case you just want to go out, grab a drink, go about doing your thing. This, you can also style it like this. You can also go ahead and tie this button down shirts up just to give you like a more fitted look. If you're not into that like free flowing look, will give you another look entirely. And that is what I did in the styling part of this video. I'm still carrying the straw bag from Target, and I'm also wearing the brown flats from Target. And of course, you can wear this look by itself like this, which is what I did. I just took out the button down shirt and I kept the straw bag, and I also kept the same flats, and I added some sunglasses because we are out in the sun. So this is just a very nice, chic, breezy look. You can just go grab a coffee, grab a drink, just you can even go to the mall like this. Because it is so hot, you can go to the movies like this. All you just need to do is change your bag and maybe your shoes if you want to, or you can keep the flat and just carry like a crossbody brown bag if you have that. So now on to the next outfit. So the next outfit I have is this pink top with a cutout detail on the chest area. I just love this top. I have it in white. I will insert a clip of the race that I did with that somewhere here. I went ahead and I styled this top with my Zara white pants that I got this summer. I just wanted, like, you know, it's Barbie season. I was going for that pink Barbie look. So I added my clutch bag in the color pink, and I'm also wearing some white heels, just simple, very breezy looking outfit that you can just like go for lunch, have drinks in the evening. So because it's summer and we are not dressing so formally, So you can take this look to lunch, you can take it to like drinks in the evening. You can just dress like this and go about your business, which is what I love about outfits like this. So let me show you guys the next outfit. The next outfit I have is also a white dress. It has a square neckline and it's like an A-line dress. I just love this. All of these dresses, they come in like this neat rib material. It is not like very thick. It is breathable. It is lightweight. So I got this outfit because it is very basic. I've been kind of leaning into outfits like this, black, white, beige, you know, like browns. I've just been loving these colors recently. So the reason I got this is because I know it's something I can wear throughout the year. I can also wear this during the fall, during the winter. That's why I got it. So in the styling part of this video, first I styled it with some pink in keeping with the Barbie theme. I went ahead, I styled it with my pink clutch bag that I got from Shein, and I'm also wearing those Zara sling back pumps that I got last year. So I just wanted like white and pink look, you know, girly. So I also went ahead and I styled it with like nude heels, those brand nude heels that I got from Nine West long ago. I am also carrying a bag in that khaki color just to match with the shoe, and this look you can wear for work, you know, in case you don't want to wear like pink for work. This is another way you can style it. And of course you can wear this outfit with blazer. Any color of blazer will go because it is white. And you can also wear this with trench coats. You can wear it with coats when the time comes. You can just switch out your shoes and add some booties, and that will look so pretty. I just love this outfit because I know that they are going to last me for a very long time. On to the next outfit. So the next outfit that I have is this animal skin dress that I got from Zara. I just love this dress because animal skin, they never go out of fashion. And I know during the fall, this dress will be very functional for me. It came with a belt and it's also like in that A-line cut, which I like. It have long sleeves with buttons. It also have a zip on the side and it have a little collar with a little v-neck. I just like this. And so in the styling part, first I style it with heels that I just showed you guys, the black strappy sandal that I just showed you guys. I styled it with that, and the dress came with a black belt. So I went ahead and I styled it with a belt, and I'm carrying my black clutch. Then I also went ahead, I styled it with the red heels that I also showed you guys that I got from Zara. And I'm carrying my Zara purse that I got a few years back. I added a red belt just to kind of like complement with the red heels. The colors are not the same, but red is red, so it kind of look like, you know, what I had in mind even though they are not the same color, but it still match. Then next I went ahead and I started with my brown pop and I changed my belt to a brown belt, and I'm also carrying that brand clutch that I already featured that I got from Shein. And so this is just a very simple way to style this outfit. When the time comes, a black trench, a black blazer, a brown blazer will go with this look. A black coat will go with this look. I didn't really get it for summer, but I just thought I should just show you guys. I got it for fall and for winter period because, you know, animal prints, they are always going to be trending every fall and every winter, which is what I like about this very outfit. So let me show you guys the next outfit. So the next outfit that I have is this red pants that I got from Zara. This is a Zara popular pants. It's that pant that comes with that fabric belt. I have this pants in mint green. I have it in beige. I have it in black, I think, and I decided to get the red. And that's because You know, I love red and I have this red blazer. Thank God the color just matches with the pants. So I got it, and in the styling part of this video, I just kept everything red. I added a black camisole, and I added that camisole because the red blazer has like a black button. So I wanted to kind of complement that. Everything else is red. I'm carrying a red handbag. I'm wearing those red Zara sandals. But when it gets cold, I can switch my sandals and wear something else, because you know you will see this outfit again, because red is trending throughout the rest of the year, and I'm going to be rocking mine. So I love this look. It is chic. It is something that you can wear to work, and you can wear the pants with other colors, and of course you can wear the blazer with other colors. That blazer is not from Zara. I got that blazer from H&M. I could not get the pants when I got the blazer because it was sold out. I'm praying that H&M will bring this back. This Zara pant comes with its own blazer, but it was also sold out. I just decided to get it, and I just love the way it turned out. It kind of looked like it came together, but it's like I bought them together. No, but they are different pieces, but the color matches, which I am so happy about. So this is a very chic look. You can wear these two pieces apart. This Zara pants, I will think of other ways to style it, and so stay tuned in upcoming videos during this fall that is coming, because you will see these pants a lot. And so guys, that will be all for this video. These are all the items that I got from the Zara sale, and I'm still rocking them for this summer. When the weather start getting cooler, I'm still going to be rocking this outfit. I just been loving like very neutral, minimal look, and I wanted to share with you guys. I will leave all the links in the description box. I don't know if these items are still available, because the Zara sale is still going on, but I don't know if these ones that are featured here, they are still available. But if they are, I will link them. If they are not, if I can find similar options, I will be sure to link in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the views, all the likes, all the comments. Thank you for the support. And until my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye, and I will see you all soon. Bye. Bye.